Hi everyone! I'm Clara Ninabwa, but you can also call me Clay or Clara. I'm 22 years old from Abaga, Libungan, Cotabato. Our community is surrounded by rice fields, making it a very beautiful place to live. The people here were kind, hardworking, and deeply rooted in our traditions. We often celebrate festivals like the Town Fiesta where everyone gathers to enjoy food, music, and dances. I came from a small and close-knit family. My father is Carlos O. Nabwa, works as a farmer, and my mother is Sharita N. Nabwa, she is a clerk. I have a one sibling named John Carl who is still in high school. We live in a modest life, but my parents have always emphasized the importance of education and hard work. I graduated from Notre Dame of Midsayap College, a private school that gave me the foundation I needed to pursue my dreams. The teachers there were very supportive and encouraged me to do my best in academics and extracurricular activities. I am currently enrolled in Bachelor of Science in Accountancy program because I have a strong interest in numbers, problem solving, and understanding how businesses works. I chose this course because I believe accounting is a vital field that opens doors to many other career opportunities. From this course, I expect to gain technical skills and knowledge needed to excel as a certified public accountant and to build a successful career in the financial sector. I chose Southern Christian College because of its reputation for producing top-performing students and its commitment to providing quality education. And I believe SEC will provide me with the tools to succeed academically and professionally while also helping me grow as an individual. My goal in life is to become a CPA and work for a reputable company or organization, helping them manage their finances and achieve their goals. Eventually, I hope to establish my own accounting firm also. To achieve this, I plan to study diligently, attend workshops, and pass the CPA board examination. I know there will be challenges such as the rigorous academic requirements and the highly competitive nature of the field, but I am prepared to work hard and stay focused. And 10 years from now, I see myself as a successful CPA, possibly working as a financial manager or running my own accounting firm. I also hope to contribute to my community by mentoring aspiring accountants and offering free financial literacy programs. That would be all. Thank you for watching.